Hello, my name is Julian and welcome to this CNRL Fast activity. Today we're going to do magic with magnets. Now what you're going to need is some magnets, string, paper clips, scissors, tape, a cardboard box, and something you'd like to float in the air. Some feathers, felt, or just some paper that you want to float. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is check how well our magnets work. So I've got two magnets here, and we're just going to attach some string to our paper clips. So cut a decent length of string, and we're just going to tie it off on the end of the paper clip. And we need to cut off the excess because we want to keep the weight to a minimum. All right, now we're going to tape our paper clip onto the table here. Now, this is just for testing to see if it works. So I'll tape that there. And if I hold the magnet up and then hold it, clip it onto the paper clip, and I should be able to take it away. You can see how that's dangling in the air by itself, like magic. All right, that's perfect. We're going to set it up so it's going to be inside our box. So here's our box. Now I've put a bit of plain white paper on the back, and that's so we can see a bit better. So I've got a plain background. Now, first thing, we'll attach our magnet to the top. So I'm going to do mine to the underside. Now for our string, get a bit of tape ready. Stick it on the magnet. Whoa. And, oh goodness, this is a strong magnet. And we're going to stick it to the bottom so it's just hanging there and not touching. And there we go. You can see that's dangling there perfectly. Right, now that's pretty cool by itself, but to make it a bit more exciting, I've just got some felt, but like I said, you can use anything that's nice and light, and we're just going to stick that on there. So if I take this back down, get a bit of tape, and my little bat that I've cut out of felt, I'll just stick that to the back. Like that. And now it should appear like my bat is floating. And for even more magic, let's change the background.